Now, we have talked about the range of challenges facing our medical field.
From financial hurdles when it comes to reimbursements to simply having enough doctors and nurses in our state. Well, today marks the start of a new chapter in the University of New England's mission to serve the people of Maine with more experts in the medical field.
1, 2, 3.
With the pomp and circumstance usually reserved for graduations marking the end of the school year, the University of New England marks the start of something new. After years of planning, the Harold and Bibby Alfond Center for Health Sciences is now open on UNE's Portland campus. And it's clear this mission is about attracting and retaining medical professionals for Maine.
I think it's a very important thing for us to try to get more Maine physicians. And so what they have done, what Dean Carrero and a bunch of the faculty have done to do that and to bring more students here is a huge accomplishment. I do plan on staying here. I love it here. I want to just continue helping the people of the state of Maine.
Brady Lamontang is from Kennebunk and is entering his third year here. He'll spend the next year in Bangor.
In their third year, for a whole year, they will go to a community-based setting. So like they're in the grocery store and they see a patient that they saw in the clinic and they start to get that sense of what it's like to be part of a community. This is totally state-of-the-art.
The new facility in Portland is also designed to build community among medical professionals, with future physicians, nurses, pharmacists, physician assistants, dentists, and more now learning together.
Studies show that when healthcare providers work in teams, their patients have improved outcomes and the incidence of medical errors are greatly reduced.
Starting his first shoe business in Norridge Walk, Maine.
$30 million from the Harold Alfond Foundation and $5 million in federal money helped launch this expansion. At a time when it's increasingly difficult to find a doctor in Maine, UNE says they'll now increase medical school enrollment by 21%, graduating an additional 35 doctors every year.
When the history of UNE is one day written, this day, the day this transformational building opened, will be remembered as an example of how this university carried out its mission, how it expanded its impact, and how it improved the lives of people in Maine and throughout New England.
The school says with the Medical Education Center now in Portland, it will free up space on the Biddeford campus for undergraduate programs to meet workforce needs.